Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Bert, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the material solutions analysis phase within the defense acquisition process. The defense acquisition process is made up of phases and milestones. As a system is developed, it goes through these phases and milestones throughout its life cycle, from beginning to end. The material solutions analysis phase, or what we call the MSA phase, is the first phase in the defense acquisition process. The phase is highlighted by the red square. What is the material solution analysis phase? The MSA phase assesses potential solutions for a needed capability in an initial capabilities document. It satisfies the phase-specific entrance criteria for the next program milestone designated by the Milestone Decision Authority. The MSA phase is critical to program success and achieving material readiness because it's the first opportunity to influence system supportability and affordability. It balances technology opportunities with operational and sustainment requirements. During this phase, various alternatives are analyzed to select the material solution and develop the technology development strategy to fill any technology gaps. The MSA phase also includes identifying and evaluating affordable product support alternatives with their associated requirements to meet the operational requirements and associated risks. Consequently, in describing the desired performance to meet mission requirements, sustainment metrics should be defined in addition to the traditional performance design criteria. What is the main task during the material solutions analysis phase? The main task during this phase is to conduct an analysis of alternatives. The purpose of an OA is to evaluate the mission effectiveness, operational suitability, and estimated lifecycle cost of alternative solutions to meet a mission capability in an initial capabilities document in determining the system concept. What are the main tasks in the material solutions analysis phase? The main tasks in the MSA phase are to address the following. Assess all potential solutions for a stated need. Develop a preliminary acquisition strategy. Develop a technology development strategy. Develop program goals for any needed development of critical enabling technologies. Conduct an analysis of alternatives leading to selection and approval of a material solution. Develop a draft capabilities development document. Develop a systems engineering plan. Develop initial support and maintenance concepts, life cycle sustainment plan. Develop the life cycle signature support plan. And finally, understand research and development costs. What is the material solutions analysis phase trade space? The MSA phase is critical for establishing the overarching trade space available to the program manager in subsequent phases. User capabilities are examined against technologies, both mature and immature, to determine feasibility and alternatives to fill user needs. Once the requirements have been identified, a gap analysis should be performed to determine the additional capabilities required to implement the support concept and its drivers within the trade space. The MSA phase ends when the analysis of alternatives has been completed, material solution options have been identified in the approved initial capabilities document, and the phase-specific entrance criteria for the initial review milestone have been satisfied. What are the main reviews that take place during the material solutions analysis phase? The following reviews take place during the MSA phase. Initial technical review is a multidiscipline technical review to support a program's initial program objective memorandum submission. Alternative system review is a technical review that assesses the preliminary material solutions that have been developed. These are the main reviews conducted during the MSA phase. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the material solutions analysis phase. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.